What's good, traders? How is you all doing today? I hope you're doing good. It's a new week. It's on a Monday. And so without wasting much time, I don't have the lighting, so the video might not be very good. But I wanted to show you the trade I'm taking right now. It's a Monday morning, almost 9 a.m., about 4 minutes to 9 a.m. So I want to take a trade here on GBP USD. Now, this is my economic calendar. As you can see, on Monday we have some activities, but it's not anytime soon. But this is the setup right here. I'm looking for a 1-to-4 history-reward ratio. Now I have to mention that the stop loss is not looking good. As you can see, that stop loss placement is not looking good. I would have loved it to be below this candle at least, but I don't want to use a 30 pip stop loss. Here I'm using a 20 pip stop loss, and I just don't want to use a 30 pip stop loss because it's too big. So I will take the risk. And also the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we have the 100 EMA just above it, so we could get something like this, a push up there and then a drop or something of that nature. But I like the 15 minutes because you can see the 100 EMA is just right there. So I would say the 15 minute is looking good, the stop loss is not looking good, and the 1 hour is not looking good. But it's a setup, so I will take it and we'll see what happened. 20 pip stop loss and 80 pip target. Right, we're in the trade. We are in the trade. I'm going to set an alert here on the 1 hour time frame at this level, which is about 150 pips, so that I will know once the market gets there. Hopefully, if it will get there, I will come and monitor the trade. Alright, the alert is set, as you can see. So once I get the alert, I'll be back. If I don't get the alert, I will already know I've lost the trade. Alright guys, that's it, man. Let me take my time to read the fundamentals, read the news, what's happening in the fundamentals world, then and wait for the results, right? I will definitely update you. So let's get it, bro. I'm trying to get funded, and I hope this week will be productive. Let's go. Now it's 3.5 hours later after taking the trade. I have not received the alert, which means it's not looking good. So let's go find out. Alright guys, fuck it. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Took me out by probably like 5 pips or less, and flew all the way out. About the size of the stop loss, probably if I could have gone with 30, I would have survived. And I mean, it sucks, it sucks because it took me out and then went up. What the fuck is that? But it'll still show up. In the next 20 minutes, I will see how it goes. I don't think I'm going to take another trade up to maybe in the evening, but we'll see. So yeah, man, I've taken a hit I've started on the wrong foot for the week, but I believe it's going to be a good week. I believe that, sure. So let's wait. Maybe, hopefully today I will get another setup, but if I don't, I can't believe this has happened, bro. This is insane. Look at that. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. And something was just telling me, just use 30 pips. But I wanted 1 to 4. I didn't want 1 to 3, so this would have been the setup. But I chose to go for a 1 to 4. And guess what? I got cooked. This is insane, bro, but it is what it is, man. I've seen this so many times, bro. So many times. I'm used to them. Of course, they, like, I feel bad, of course. They're very annoying, but it's the nature of trading. So, the day is over, bro. Today was a complete mess. I can't see any other trading opportunity for now, so I will call it a day. Damn, bro. Anyway, so I guess we'll continue tomorrow. I'm looking at the USD card, but it's not convincing me enough. I'm not getting a good entry for something like this. So I guess I'll have to wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so let's get it. Good morning from Tuesday the 4th of March. I hope that is correct. Now, it's 9 a.m. and I haven't found my morning setup. So let me just show you my screen. And as we get into it, I would recommend that you click the link in the description if you would like to join Monevi's prop farm. That is the prop farm I use and the prop farm that I recommend. And also, if you're looking for a reliable broker, I recommend FBS. That's what I use. Link is in the description as well. This pair is a USD card. I believe we talked about it last night. I was looking for a buy setup around here for that move right there, but the entry I was getting around here was not convincing enough. If I dropped down to the 1 hour at that time, I probably would have taken this buy. Probably. Because it was right here. So it can be that, or be that. I guess I'll have to wait for something else because I missed that one. Okay, I missed that setup, so I'll have to wait for another one. I'm looking for something like potentially like this or a break above here, something like that. Now on GBP USD, the same thing. I'm expecting something like a retracement up to around here. Then I can look for an entry. If I get an entry around here, I can target here or a break above that one. Or if we do retrace up to here, I will be looking for something like that. Another scenario, if we break above this level of 1.27 with the green one, I will be looking for a buy targeting 1.28. So today I'm not getting a setup in the morning, but I believe things will be good. So one of the things I have decided to really like stress on is the time frames. I must, before I take any trade, I must look at all my time frames, and all my time frames are here. From the fifth, my main time frame is the 4-hour. As you can see, I have to check all time frames at every single time I'm looking at the charts, just to make sure I don't miss on some sort of details. Like yesterday, that setup I missed, and the setup that I lost, and more setups from last week. So I think that's one of the things that I'm going to be putting a lot of stress on it, whatever. I do stress or whatever it is, but yeah, man, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what today has to happen. It's 4 hours later, okay? And something interesting is happening on USD card. First off, let's start with GBP USD. So this is what has happened. I haven't had the chance to take the buy, and basically it has left me because I wanted it to drop about up to here, then I can look for a buy, but right now it's gone. Now on USD card, something interesting here. If you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it's looking good. It's looking good. Now the problem is the size of the stop loss. Once again, we were just about here a few minutes. Now we are pulling back, but the point is the size of the stop loss is too small. If I go with 30, it's going to be too big. It's going to be too big, but I think I can go with 30 just to be on the safe side. I can go with 30 because this setup is looking good. The only thing is I'm not expecting the market to go all the way up here. That's why going with 30 pips is a bit tricky. We have about 6 minutes before the 4 hour candle close. So let me see. If I get a good entry, I will take it with 20 pips. If I don't, I'll take it with 30. But I cannot take it beyond this point. I just can't. Now the market has, the 4 hour candle has closed, but it hasn't given me the entry I want. Taking this trade will be a bit risky. So I'm thinking, should I take this? Should I not take it? It's not looking good, especially because we are very far from my level, this one. And you know this is a 30 pip stop loss. I don't think I'm going to take this trade. There's a very high chance we're going to bump all the way up here, at least around here, or even to this green level. So I don't know. I'm not taking it. It's not looking good, and I don't feel any urge to take a trade. I feel like it's too risky. And you know, for me, most of the time, if I don't get a good entry, I don't take a trade. I don't like forcing trades. I do force them sometimes. Sometimes they work, and sometimes they just cook me like alive. And I don't want that to happen today, bro. Let's wait and see how the day goes. So this week, before we talk about this week, let me show you what happened today, right? From afternoon, last time from afternoon, but up to now, it's almost 9 p.m. So let me show you what happened. I usually don't trade between that time. This is what happened on GBP USD. There wasn't really something I can go up by, unless I could have used the buy limit, but I don't use buy limits anymore. I want to be there when I'm taking the trade. I want to be there looking at it. That's why I stopped using buy limits. So this is what happened on USD card. I did not take this trade, and I don't feel bad because it was not meeting my my requirements. I wanted to get an entry somewhere around here, but it gave me there, so I did not take it. This is a 1 to 3, but I missed it. The week has started in a funny way. I have had quite a number of opportunities to take, but for some reason I missed them. But the thing is, I don't allow. This is something that has kept me going for a long time in trading. I don't allow one loss or one trade or one missed trade. Setup, one win. I cannot allow anything that is just one to determine what is going to happen in the future. So if I take a loss that I was not supposed to take, or I missed a trade, I don't really I feel bad, but I don't look at it like it was going to make me. I cannot allow just one event to make or break me. I'm on this journey for a very long time. Okay, I've dedicated myself to this, so I cannot allow just one event to define me, if that makes sense. So so that's it, man. I guess I'll end the video here, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.